Hi, it's me again with CorelDRAW Tips and Tricks. I've always had a little bit of problem or a little bit of trouble rotating from the center of the page when using indexing. I use the indexing lines to get me close. But see, that doesn't look like it's in the center, and then when you click off it, it really is. But if you will turn off your Snap to guidelines on, I've just found it really does a better job. Look at that, it's in the center. But if you don't want to use guidelines, you don't know where the center of the page is, so you're up in here and you finally find it. But if you'll take a semi-large circle and use it as a guide, it doesn't look like it's in the center, but if you double click, it is. And it works even better if you take off Snap to guideline or Snap to object on. Because if you have Snap to object on, it's going to try to snap it to the edge, and then you can get to the center. But if you have Snap to object off and you move it, there's no snapping to the edge, and it's just going to go to the center. Right there, it doesn't look like it is, but it actually is. And then you can rotate it around the center of the page. So to give that circle a size, and then you just delete it, and your graphic is done. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.